Hello students, I am Janhavi Deka, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, KCST College, Nausatra, Borpeta. So today we will start Organic Chemistry of HS second year. The first chapter of second part of chemistry is haloalkane and haloarenes. So first we have to know what is haloalkanes and haloarenes. The organic compounds containing halogen atom fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine as functional group and derived from alkanes or aromatic compounds are known as haloalkanes and haloarenes. যিবোৰ জৈৱ যৌগত ফ্লুৰিন ক্লৰিন ব্ৰমিন আয়োডিন হেলোজেনসমূহ থাকে আৰু যিবোৰ এলকেন বা এৰোমেটিক যৌগৰ পৰা সংশ্লেষণ কৰা হয় সিহঁতক হেলোএলকেন বা হেলোএৰিনছ বুলি কোৱা হয় Haloalkanes are derived from alkanes and haloarenes are derived from aromatic hydrocarbons. For example, here it is a methane. If one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen atom, we will get the haloalkane. That means this is halomethane. The halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. তো মিথেনৰ এটা হাইড্ৰোজেন পৰমাণু যদি আমি হেলোজেনৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰতিস্থাপিত কৰোঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি সেই মিথেনৰ পৰা হেলোমিথেন পাম ঠিক তেনেদৰে প্ৰতিটো এলকেনৰ পৰা যদি আমি হাইড্ৰোজেন পৰমাণু হেলোজেনৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰতিস্থাপিত কৰোঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি হেলোএলকেনছবোৰ পাওঁ Now here we have taken the aromatic compound, for example benzene. Here one hydrogen atom is replaced by the halogen atom and we will get the halobenzene. So since we are talking about the haloalkanes and haloarenes, so we should know the halogen group 17 which contain fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. But since astatine is radioactive, so it is not found generally in haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Before that, we are giving some examples of haloalkanes and haloarenes. The example of haloalkanes, this is bromoethane. This is ethane, one hydrogen atom, CH3, one hydrogen atom is replaced by bromine. Ethanor eta hydrogen পৰমাণু ব্রোমিনৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰতিস্থাপিত কৰা হৈছে আৰু we will get the bromoethane. Similarly, this is 2-chlorobutane. Butane molecule-টোত butane অণুটোত এটা হাইড্ৰোজেন পৰমাণু ক্লোৰিনৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰতিস্থাপিত কৰা হৈছে 2 নম্বৰ কাৰ্বনত থকা প্ৰটনটো হাইড্ৰোজেন পৰমাণুটো প্ৰতিস্থাপিত কৰা হৈছে so its name is 2-chlorobutane. This is 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Here this is the 2-methyl propane that 2 নম্বৰ কাৰ্বনত থকা হাইড্ৰোজেন পৰমাণুটো ব্ৰোমিনৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰতিস্থাপিত হৈছে and we will get the 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. These are the IUPAC name: bromoethane, 2-chlorobutane, 2-bromo methyl propane. Later on we will discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Similarly, the examples of the haloarenes. In benzene, one hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine, we'll get the chlorobenzene, and this is benzyl chloride. This is aromatic compound. This is aromatic compound, benzene. This here also benzene is there, aromatic compound. So these halogen compounds are derived from the aromatic compound. That's why these are the examples of haloarenes. Now the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkane আৰু haloareneৰ শ্ৰেণীকৰণ দুটা ফ্যাক্টৰৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰি কৰা হৈছে Number 1, depending on number of carbon atoms, and number 2, depending on hybridization সংকৰণ. Depending on number of carbon atoms, haloalkanes or haloarenes are divided into three types: monohaloalkane or monohaloarenes, dihaloalkane or dihaloarene, trihaloalkane or trihaloarenes. Now here, in case of monohaloalkane, অসমীয়াটো একে নামটো একে monohaloalkane, তাত এটা হাইড্ৰোজেন পৰমাণু প্ৰতিস্থাপিত কৰা হৈছে. One hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen, so that is why monohaloalkane. If two hydrogen atoms are replaced by the halogens, then it is called dihaloalkane. If three hydrogen atoms are replaced by halogen, then it is called trihaloalkane. Similarly, in case of aromatic compound, if one hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen, then it is called monohaloarene. This is dihaloarene, and this is trihaloarene. Three hydrogen atoms are replaced. This is trihaloarene. Here you see this, the parent compound is the alkane. This is alkane. This is alkane. And here, in case of haloarenes, the parent compound is the aromatic compound, that is, we have taken here benzene. This is benzene. Then depending on hybridization, haloalkane and haloarenes are classified in different groups. We have two types of hybridization: sp3 hybridization and sp2 hybridization. Depending on sp3 hybridization, it is divided into alkyl halide, allylic halide, and benzyl halide. Alkyl halides are further classified into three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halides. Now, what is called alkyl halides? Alkyl halides are also halogen compounds. If the halogen is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group, then it is called the alkyl halide. Here you see this halogen atom is directly attached to this steric mark carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized of an alkyl group. So that is why this is alkyl halide. Now, why it is called primary alkyl halide? If this sp3 hybridized carbon atom which contain the halogen, if it is linked to only one carbon atom, then it is primary. Here, this carbon atom is linked to the two carbon atoms, so this is secondary. This carbon atom which contain the halogen sp3 hybridized, this is sp3 hybridized. It is linked with three carbon atoms, so this is tertiary alkyl halide. The second category is allylic halide. In case of allylic halide, the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, this which is directly linked to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. যিবোৰ যৌগত হাইড্ৰোজেন পৰমাণুটো sp3 সংকৰিত কাৰ্বনৰ লগত প্ৰত্যক্ষভাৱে যুজিত হৈ থাকে, যিটো sp3 সংকৰিত কাৰ্বন পৰমাণু sp2 সংকৰিত কাৰ্বন পৰমাণুৰ লগত যুজিত হৈ থাকে, সেইবোৰ যৌগকে allylic halide বুলি কোৱা হয়. These allylic halides are further classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary. Here also, if the halogen containing carbon atom is directly attached to only one carbon atom, then it is primary. If it is directly attached to the two carbon atoms, then it is secondary. If it is directly attached to three carbon atoms, then it is tertiary alkyl halide. This compound, you can say some may be puzzled that it is aromatic compound, but this is not aromatic, though it is a cyclic compound. This is cyclohexene, and this halogen, this is also an example of allylic primary alkyl halide. Why? Because you see, this is the steric mark given carbon is sp3 hybridized. This is sp3 hybridized because this is linked to all three single bond, and there is a hydrogen atom is also there, which is not written. So this halogen is directly linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is linked to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this is also an example of allylic halide. The third category is benzyl halide. Benzyl halide, in case of benzyl halide, the halogen atom is directly linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is linked to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a benzene ring. That is why it is called benzyl halide. Benzyl halide is also further classified as the primary, secondary and the tertiary benzyl halide. Star mark dia carbon পৰমাণুটো যদি প্ৰত্যক্ষভাৱে এটা কাৰ্বনৰ লগত যুজিত তেতিয়াহলে তাক প্ৰাইমাৰী, দুটা কাৰ্বনৰ লগত যুজিত হৈ আছে তেতিয়াহলে তাক সেকেন্ডাৰী, আৰু যদি তিনটা কাৰ্বনৰ লগত যুজিত হৈ আছে তেতিয়াহলে তাক টাৰ্চিয়াৰী বেনজাইল হ্যালাইড বুলি কোৱা হয়. But this is not a benzyl halide. You see, this here also benzene ring is there, halogen is there, and here also in this compound also halogen group is directly linked to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. But this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is not directly linked to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So that is why it is not benzyl halide. Depending on sp2 hybridization, it is divided into two types, vinyl halide and aryl halide. Vinyl halide and aryl halide. If the halogen atom is directly linked to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a double bond, then it is called vinyl halide. And if the halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a aryl group, that aryl group may be benzene or any other aromatic compound, then it is called the aryl halide. Vinyl halide কাকৈ যদি হ্যালোজেন পৰমাণুটো sp2 সংকৰিত কাৰ্বন পৰমাণুৰ লগত যুজিত হৈ থাকে তেতিয়াহলে তাক ভিনাইল হ্যালাইড প্ৰত্যক্ষভাৱে যুজিত হৈ থাকে, আৰু এৰাইল হ্যালাইড কেতিয়া হ'ব যেতিয়া হ্যালোজেন পৰমাণুটো sp2 সংকৰিত কাৰ্বন পৰমাণু এৰোমেটিক যৌগৰ কাৰ্বন পৰমাণুৰ লগত প্ৰত্যক্ষভাৱে যুজিত হৈ থাকে তেতিয়াহলে তাক এৰাইল হ্যালাইড বুলি কোৱা হয়. And but this compound you see, it's a cyclic compound, but this is called cyclobutadiene, 1,3-cyclobutadiene, but this compound is not aromatic, so we cannot say that this is aryl halide. This is vinyl halide. This is not aryl halide, this is vinyl halide, because though halogen is directly linked to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, but the cyclic ring is not aromatic, so it will be only cyclic vinyl halide, not aryl halide. To be aryl halide, the condition is that the sp2 hybridized carbon atom must be of aromatic compound. So today we have studied what is haloalkanes, haloarenes, and the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes, and in the next class we will study the nomenclature of the haloalkanes and haloarenes.